Good evening from here in London. So just in the closing bell on Wall Street, we did see equities finish in positive territory, so it's the third day straight that we've seen the US markets finish in the green. So all of this move comes from this rise in risk appetite out of the Eurozone after the Greek Parliament voted to pass these latest austerity measures. So this did see euro dollar reach its best levels and give a boost to US equity futures as well. However, after the vote was passed, we saw a little bit of a downtick in both US equity futures and euro dollar, so a bit of a sell of fact there. However, risk appetite did come back into the fray as the US pending home sales posted some positive figures, as well as US DOE numbers as well. So looking at those DOE numbers in terms of WTI crude, it has seen some strength today with both WTI and Brent trading up over $3 on the session. So in terms of those DOE numbers, we had crude oil inventory showing a strong drawdown, as well as Mo gas as well. So these did see an increase in risk appetite over in the crude markets. So looking at fixed income, we had the last in this series of debt auctions out of the Fed, with 7-year coming in pretty disappointing yet again. So a disappointing series of auctions that we've had this week, with a higher yield and lower bid to cover. So this did see continuous sell-off in 10-year futures. So in terms of other news flow, the other story of note has been the Fed proposing to increase Visa debit fee caps to 22 cents. This was from 15 cents, so a big increase there. So this did see Visa and MasterCard shares spike dramatically higher, up over 10%, that spike higher there. So that's about it for us for the evening. Looking forward to tomorrow. We do have that second part of the Greek austerity vote, so we'll be voting on the details tomorrow. So we are estimating that this may come at roughly a similar time to what we saw today. So that's something to look out for. In terms of the news flow tomorrow, we have the US Chicago PMI in the afternoon, as well as the latest series of US initial claims data as well. Also of note, tomorrow sees the end of the Fed's $600 billion QE program, so it is the last one in this series, so that's something to look out for as well. That's it for us for the evening. We hope you have a great night, and we'll see you again tomorrow morning.